Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh. And today, in this episode, I'm going to talk about how to earn money from affiliate marketing in just 4 proven steps if you are beginner, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and this book is available on Amazon. You can check out this book on Amazon. In this book, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. You can check out this book, and yes, down below I have also put the link. You can go and check out. Got it? Now, without any delay, let me show you how to earn money from affiliate marketing in just 4 proven steps as a beginner. First, let me show you my results. You can see that by applying the strategy that I'm going to reveal to you, by applying the 4 steps, I have made over $20,000 in commission. You can see that. And here, my disclaimer to you. Results are not guaranteed. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but a legitimate business opportunity. Success comes from hard work, sacrifice, and consistency. This content is for educational purposes only and reflects my personal results. So, here I cannot give you any guarantee that you will be making money, but this strategy is working for me. It has worked for me. Got it? Now, what is your first step? Or you can say, what is the first thing that you have to do? Focus on one thing. Yes, when I started my affiliate marketing business, what I was doing, I was distracting a lot. I was jumping on one shiny object to another shiny object, one course to another. Here, my advice to you is that please focus on one thing. Don't dabble, don't distract. Just focus on one thing. And when I say focus on one thing, what I mean by that? Your first step in your affiliate marketing business, very first thing that you have to do is pick one problem that you want to solve in the market or in your niche. Pick one problem. For example, if you ask me, there are so many people, they are looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. Considering that, I have picked that one problem that I want to solve in the market, because somewhere I was the same guy who was looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. I have solved this problem for me, and same thing I want to solve for other people too. So here you have to pick one problem that you want to solve in the market or in your niche or in your subject or in your, you can say, interest. I hope you are getting my point. And here, please understand this. When you are going to pick the problem, it is not always the problem where you are going to solve the problem like money making problem. It can be anything else. There are people, they are looking for how to lose weight. There are people, they are looking for how to speak fluently, or you can say in public speaking niche. And there are people, they want to um, make their relationship better, right, in a relationship niche. So here overall idea is that pick one problem in your niche where you have passion. It shouldn't be all the time about like you are going to pick problem that is related to money making. By the way, there are three market: health, wealth, and relationships. These three market are evergreen. So out of these three market, pick one problem that you want to solve in the market. This is your first step that you have to do. Pick one problem. Second thing, pick one affiliate product. Once you know that, okay, yes, this is the problem that you are going to solve in the market. As in my case, my problem is that how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. There are people, those who look for that how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. They are searching on YouTube, they are searching on Google, that how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. Considering that problem, what I have to do, I have to pick one affiliate product through which I'm gonna solve this very problem, this one problem. Pick one affiliate product. As in my case, I picked one funnel away challenge through which I solve the problem of my ideal prospect. In your case, it can be anything. Like if you are into health and fitness niche, where suppose you are going to solve the problem of how to lose weight, considering that you have to pick your affiliate product through which you are going to solve the problem of this how to lose weight. I hope you are getting my point. This is your second step. Pick one affiliate product. Don't try to pick so many products. Pick only one product, one affiliate product. Next one, pick one sales system. Once you know, okay, yes, this is one problem that you are going to solve, and this is the affiliate product through which you are going to solve the problem of your ideal prospect in the market, then what you have to do, you have to create one sales system. Your sales system can be one-to-one coaching, or you can say you can sell your product through messenger. You can create sales system where you are having landing page and bridge page, or you can say thank you page. Landing page where you offer something for free in exchange of email address, name, etc. For example, you offer free guide to make money online, free guide to make $1,000 online, free guide to how to lose weight, that you offer for free on your landing page. And you give this free guide for free in exchange of name and email address on your landing page. As soon as someone submits their name and email address, they go to your bridge page or your thank you page. This is the page where you offer your affiliate product with bonuses. So that's why it's very, very important to pick one sales system through which you are going to promote your affiliate offer or your affiliate product. Got it? Now, next thing, pick one traffic source. If I tell you about me, then what blunder mistake that I was doing? I was trying to be present at every platform, be it Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Please don't try to be everywhere. Initially, when you are just new, just pick one traffic source and master it. Now you tell me, if you pick one traffic source, let's assume you are going with Facebook, and for 3 to 6 months, you learn everything about Facebook. If there is any training, you go through that. If there is any book, you go through that. If there is any master class, you go through that. Now you tell me, if you do it for at least 3 to 6 months, now will you be master or not on the about this platform? I hope you will be. That's why I always say, pick one traffic source and master it. It can be anything. It can be YouTube, it can be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Pick one and master it. Learn everything that you can learn about that one particular platform. And on this platform, you can promote your affiliate offer. Make sense? This is what you have to do. Pick one traffic source and master it. Don't try to learn every traffic source. These are the 4 steps that you have to take care, that you have to take if you want to earn money from affiliate marketing. And yes, there are some other things that I want to mention here. Along with these 4 steps, You have to give at least 6 to 12 months time. Please understand this. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It is a real business where it takes time, at least 6 to 12 months time. And here, I just want to say that please understand this. Nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. We love to buy from someone whom we know, like, trust, and feel relatable. That's why it takes minimum 6 to 12 months time to build that trust, to build that goodwill, especially when you are going through organic way. Don't think that you will be rich overnight. Within a week or 2 weeks or 1 month, you will be start getting results. Never ever. If you want consistent results, then at least you have to give 6 to 12 months time. Right? Now, this is another thing, as I have already told you about this. Don't jump on one shiny object to another. If I tell you about me, what I was doing, like I was promoting one course, and within week or within 2 weeks or within 1 month, when I didn't see any results, what I was doing, I was promoting another course, and that was my blunder mistake. And this is the same mistake that I see many people they do this mistake. They commit this mistake when they don't see any results. They start promoting any other products. They keep jumping on one product to another, one sign object to another. Please don't be that guy. If you do that, I can say this from my personal experience, you are not going to get the results in your affiliate marketing business. You are going to struggle in your affiliate marketing business if you keep jumping on one sign object to another sign object. Don't be that guy. And finally, this is very, very, very important. Again, if I tell you about me, when I started my affiliate marketing business, what blunder mistake I was doing, I was doubting a lot. I was skeptical, and understand this. Skeptical people always get skeptical results. Don't doubt. Trust. Believe in yourself. Believe in affiliate marketing business. Believe in the process. And when you come up with this mindset, you will start getting results. This is where I was committing mistake. I was not believing in me. I was not believing in my affiliate marketing business. I was not believing in the process. Whatever I was doing with a doubtful mindset, with a skeptical mindset. And because of this, I was struggling. So, my friend, please don't be that guy. If you are doing affiliate marketing business or you are thinking about doing affiliate marketing business, come up with the mindset that yes, you believe, you trust in this affiliate marketing business. And when you do that, definitely you will start seeing results. These are the 4 steps that you have to do. Again, let me recap it. Yeah, this is the first thing that you have to do. Focus on one thing. Pick one problem that you want to solve in the market. Next one, pick one affiliate product through which you are going to solve the problem of your ideal prospect in the market. And create or pick one sales system through which you are going to promote your affiliate offer. It can be one-to-one coaching through Messenger. You can promote your affiliate offer, or you can create two-step sales system having landing page and bridge page, or you can say thank you page, offering bonuses. By the way, if you don't know what is sales system having landing page and bridge page, don't worry. In my next video, I will do my best to show you that what I'm talking about, or how to create landing page, bridge page, and all that. And next one, pick one traffic source. Don't try to learn every traffic source. Pick one traffic source and master it And on this traffic source or on this social media platform, you can promote your affiliate offer, offering value, sharing your valuable content. As you can see what I'm doing here on this YouTube, I'm providing value. This is my one of the platform through which I promote my affiliate offer. You can see that. And yes, please keep that in mind. Give at least 6 to 12 months time and don't jump on one shiny object to another. And finally, believe in yourself, believe in the process, believe in affiliate marketing, and don't doubt. Right? So now you know how to earn money from affiliate marketing in just 4 proven steps as a beginner. If you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you. I will try my level best to help you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, if you like this episode, please do like and share this episode. Right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.